She for me good, she passion over. I got a spot with a limited cash. I got a thought with a limited ass. No love for the ops.
What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Azhane, and in today's video I'm doing a little get ready with me for cheer practice. Well, it's tumbling, not really practice. I'm not on like a team or anything. I'm just working on my tumbling skills. But we're gonna be installing this wig because if you don't wear wigs and cheer, then you're boring. Don't mind all of this. I put cocoa butter on my lips because they were kind of dry, but yeah, we have NiaWigs, and I'm super excited because it's a cute little like loose wave bob, and it's so cute. And I'm gonna do a half up, half down style, so I'm gonna try that out. If you guys are new and not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now. And if you guys are excited, go ahead and hit that like button. Let's do a little unboxing. It's super cute. It says NiaWigs. I've never had a box like this. It actually came like with that clear wrap all over it, and I was super excited. So the back it says, "We only live to discover beauty. All else is a form of waiting." You know? So you open it. This is what you see. It's super cute. Open it again. Yes, y'all, it's a lot of opening. This is so cute. Ooh. The hair is actually in this bag. It comes with this comb, adjustable wig band in here, and 2 wig caps. And this is just really cute packaging. And here is the wig. I'm really glad that it comes with a bag, because when I go to college I won't be able to take all those boxes. I have to put them in like different bags. So here is the hair. Half hand tied wig, 14 inches, size small because I have a really small head, so thank you. And it's in natural black. It's like a loose wave kind of texture. I'll find out the actual name and put it in the description box, or if I find it before I start editing, then I'll just write it down on the screen. Here's the texture, fresh out the package. I haven't washed it or anything. So it is pre-plucked. As you guys can see, it is pre-plucked. Hopefully I don't cut this off, because a lot of times when I'm installing a wig, the wigs be like too big, and I have to cut off their pre-existing little baby hairs and whatnot. And that's just really annoying, because then my wigs look really thick, and I'm kind of rambling, but it's cool. I usually use a contour brush, but I'm gonna use a powder brush this time because I don't know. So you want to always grease your scalp before you put your wig on. Always, always, always. Also, I have like really dry like scalp, so I have to keep my hair oiled. Like I have to like oil my scalp like every day. So here's what their wig caps look like. They're a little ashy. And I'm also going to be using their little elastic bands, adjustable wig band that it comes with. This is probably going to be really good if you guys want to do like a glueless install as well. Y'all, I forgot to gel my edges back. Especially if you're like tumbling, you don't want your wig to move. Like that's embarrassing. Like one time, literally this week, literally this week, I was doing a back handspring on a trampoline at the gym, and my freaking wig decided to lift in the back, and that was super embarrassing. Okay, so here's how the wig looks on my head with the lace still on there. So yeah, it's very possible to cheer with the wig on, guys. It's okay, you can do it. I've been doing it the whole season. Honestly, but I have been like if it's like a game day, I have been like sewing my wigs down. So I applied a styling gel to make sure this part was tacky so I could place my wig down correctly. And once my wig was down, I used Pump It Up Spritz, or you can use Got To Be glue, to make sure the wig is melted and stays in place. Make sure you're combing it so the hairspray won't get hard and mess up your hair. And yeah, once it's completely dry, then you can start to cut off the excess lace. I always use a small razor. The foam helps it get a clean melt. This lace is actually tinted brown, so there was no need for me to bleach it. As you guys can see, that part looks really clean. I did not bleach this wig at all. Like, I'm obsessed with this wig. I really am. This is kind of cute. Like I said, I did put my wig on a little bit too far back, and it's a little bit annoying, but I don't want to take the time to intact it, so I just know like if I start moving it, it's not gonna work. I think I installed this wig on a little bit crooked because when I went to pull the wig up, that ear tab actually was all the way messed up, and I had to end up cutting the ear tab off, and that's kind of annoying because now I'm gonna have to cut off the other side if I want to even it out. But this is cute. I was able to pull it up. I did have to cut off my ear tab on this side because yeah, when I moved it up, I don't know what happened. I think my wig is kind of crooked. That's probably why the one side messed up when I moved it forward. We're just gonna let this completely dry. I don't know what I'm gonna do about my hair as far as like for cheer. Probably just do like a little ponytail, or probably just like I probably just buy me like a headband. Buy a headband and then just like, you know, do this or whatever. Like the waves are really cute, and I think it is like true to length. I think this is like a good like 14 inches. And yeah, so I'm gonna let this dry. I think it's cute with this side part. Now I'm just gonna clean up because I have hair everywhere. I have tumbling at 3:30, so we have to leave here at 2:15 because I need to go to the store. And it's not like, it's like 20 minutes. My gym is like 20 minutes away. I originally wanted to do like a half up, half down style with this hair, but this is cute. Okay, y'all, so I've decided that I am going to do the half up, half down, just because I don't want my hair in my face while I'm tumbling. But a lot of times when I tend to pull it all the way up, the back starts to lift, and I don't want the back to lift. So I am just gonna go get and just get a headband so they won't see my mistakes while I'm tumbling. Yeah, my hair's gonna look cute. I just hope y'all know that, because I don't do bad hair. I may have mistakes, but I don't have bad hair. It's kind of cute though. Cute. Okay. Yeah, see. Let's just do this scrunchie my ear, because one side isn't like that. So this is my little half up, half down. We're just gonna see how my edges look when I take this off, but I'm not gonna take that off till like close to when I leave, because I don't want to mess it up. I feel like I don't know what I feel like, but I just know I feel cute. So yeah, I'm excited. Okay, my edges are too long. This is why I love tinted lace, cause like, and I really hate doing this with my wigs, but we're gonna just use gel instead of the mousse. I think that's cool. How do I look, guys? Do it look kind of natural? The whole goal is to make your hair look natural, like it just grew out of your scalp. Here's my outfit. I think my hair is super cute. Oh, this is why we love tinted lace, because I did not bleach this unit at all. I just put my foundation on it to make it match my skin, and I love it. I think this is super cute. I love the texture. It's super soft, and I think it's true to length as well. If I have a promo code, it'll be on the screen and in the description box down below. Make sure you're following NiaWigs so you can get all the exclusive on their new wigs. Check out their website. I freaking love this. And I love their packaging. Like, who giving you a brush? As many wigs as I've done, I've never gotten a brush. It's nice. But yeah, check out their wigs. Everything will be in the description box. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, all at Your Pink Pillow, if you guys enjoyed it and if you want to see me take pictures with this hair. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, I'm back from tumbling. Don't mind the red tint. I was trying out some lipstick. Y'all, I do not look good in lipstick. I be trying them. So basically what I did to when I took my ponytail out, I moved this down and I took my this and I just did that. And right now we're trying to fix this little hump right here. So I guess we have to push this like wipe it. I don't have a pressing comb, so this is the best I have. Here, it just got a little tangled because of all the flipping and stuff. But yeah, I think this is better. I've only got one clip of me from tumbling, so I put it right here. So yeah, I already had that skill. I was just doing it on trampoline so I could work on controlling it. So yeah. Trying to see, like, excited. So tell me your final thoughts on this hair. Oh no, I'll tell you my final thoughts on this hair. So I freaking love it. I love the length. I've been really feeling like short hair on me. I think it just makes me look a little classy and stuff. As far as like the lace, try to get a tinted lace. Like if you are like brown skin like me, get a tinted lace, pre-tinted, so you don't even have to like bleach it. I mean, of course you can bleach it if you want, but you can see a little bit of lace, but not that much. Yeah, I freaking love it. Once again, all the details are down below. I really don't even know like what texture this is, but it'll be in the description box. And yeah, I'm gonna take some pictures so I could show it all on the gram. All cute. Then I'm gonna put a different shirt on, but I'm hot. Like, tumbling had me stressed. It had me stressed. But yeah, this is how it looks down. You guys can pull it up. You guys can pull it back. I didn't pull it back because you shouldn't really be tumbling with your hair back in a wig, because then your wig can lift up. I just be dry talking. But yeah, I love it. 14 inches all around. Super cute. You guys can cut it if you want. You can't make it longer though. You guys can straighten this hair. Like, I was really thinking about wanding it, but I think I like how this texture is. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace.